Good morning. How is everybody doing today? Let's get started on our morning calendar. To begin, we need to sing our good morning song. Miss Sarah did not forget today. So we need 2 hands and 2 fingers. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Thank you for joining me, my friends. Now let's look at our calendar. First, we're going to start off with what day is it? If yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. Very good. Now let's look at our number. We already know it's Thursday. Yesterday was the number 6. What number comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I heard it. I heard it. Who said it? 7. Very good. The number 7 comes next. Okay, now we gotta look at our pattern. Our pattern is orange, green, pink. Orange, green, pink. Orange, green, pink. So we've already finished the part of the pattern. What do we do when we finish when we're making a pattern? We have to start it over. That's correct, you guys. Good. So we need our green crayon. Miss Sarah's got to get out the crayon. Sorry, friends. We have orange, green, and pink. Here they are. Miss Sarah's got them. So we have to start our pattern over again. What's the first color in our pattern? That's right. It's like this yellowy orange. Good. So Miss Sarah's going to color in that block. And you see Miss Sarah's using short movements. Miss Sarah's not going crazy. She's coloring inside of the line. She's going up and down, diagonal, side to side. Look at our calendar, you guys. We have a cake for tomorrow. That means we have a birthday. I'm so excited. We have a birthday tomorrow. Now let's get ready to say the date. Today is Thursday, May 7, 2020. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Ding dong, ding, ding dong, ding. Very good, you guys. Now let's do our days of the week song. How many days are in the week? 7. Very good. Just like our number for today, 7 days. Show me 7 fingers. All right, let's get started.
7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and Saturday. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and Saturday. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. Days in the week.
Alrighty, friends, so we finished our calendar. Now let's quickly talk about what we are going to be doing for activities today. So today for Thursday, We have reviewed Jolly Phonics letter sounds, so we have the YouTube videos up for you guys to listen to and watch. It has the song, the action, and the sound. Today we are also going to be practicing having your child write their first name and their last name. If they are not able to write their first and last name, please focus on the first name. Today for math, we will be focusing on counting out 25 objects. So on Tuesday we counted 15, yesterday on Wednesday we counted 20, and today we'll be counting 25. It could be anything in your house. It could be crayons, it could be pencils, it could be crayons and pencils together. It could be pieces of pasta, it could be dried beans, it could be marshmallows. It could be anything you have or a mix of anything you have that adds up to 25. Today for social studies, we have a song, Somos Unidos, and that is sung in our global music class with Miss Sarah. Sorry, Miss Sarah was trying to put the crayons away. I'm sorry. For recess today, we have a video from Go Noodle. And for social emotional, we're going to talk about using the words please and thank you and you're welcome. We're going to use our manners. We're going to use our words to talk about how we're feeling. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me or Miss Lily through the Remind app or email. We'll be posting on the Google Classroom consistently now, so please check your email, your child's email every single day. That's where we'll be posting, and you will get notifications about virtual teaching, assignments, and videos that will be posted to our Google Classroom. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great Thursday.